Right, well, we do like to say that the best investment on Earth, ironically, is, Dave, Earth itself. Now here you got a classic 1950s weatherboard home. Right, it can certainly take the knocks. Just like the neighbours have done, one day potential to be a number of townhouses on this abode. But just sitting up there on the deck, how can you miss? Frankly, you cannot. So the question is, I've got two genuine sellers. Who's got a number? How much, sir? 700. I should probably ask for a mulligan, shouldn't I? But okay, you've started me away. But at 700,000. What's that?
1 million.
1 million. Well, this is not going to take long. Beauty. 700, 1 million. Sir, you got 1.3, I assume. You look pretty comfortable there. But at $1 million? 1.05, right? They're like Normandy coming from all directions, but good luck to you. At $1,050,000, at a bit now. At $1,150,000, at a bit now. Who's got 1 and 2? Put up the dozen. Once at 1,150. Twice. 1.2. He's got a can of Red Bull as well. Good on him. At 150, centre stage. Okay, at 1.25 million. At 1,250,000. At you at 1,275,75. So someone's going to square the ledger at 1.3. But 1,275,000 at a bit now, ma'am. Do you want me to have a conversation with someone on that phone for you? But I know you know what you're doing. And I'll tell you what, sir. 10 will be the number because it's starting to rain. I need 85, okay? At 1,275. 1,285 at a bit now. At 1,280. I shouldn't have joked about the rain. But anyway, at 1,285, if it gets any worse, we're going inside. Don't worry about that. At 1,285, at 1.3, I'll be talking to the bidder out back. Property can be sold at any stage at 1.3. Make yourself comfortable inside because no one has to stand out in the rain, okay? Come inside. I'll get some Nairi stew. Lady holds the bid at $1.3 million on that proviso. I sell. Make no mistake, the property's on the market and selling for the want of another bid. At one. He's hiding from me. Fair enough. I would hide from me as well. Yeah, no, I'll wait for his instructions. I'm not going anywhere. Want of another bid. Sir, be fair warned, I'm going to count it down from 3 at $1 million. Last chance. It is going. It is going. Will you list with the 18, Brian? Evana, you do it again at 1.3. It is sold. Well done.